Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to draw Gamma 1. Let's start by lightly sketching the head's basic shape, perhaps an oval or a slightly rounded square. Next, add essential guidelines across the face for eye level and the center line, ensuring symmetry. Then, use simple geometric forms like circles and cylinders to outline the torso and the initial positions of the limbs. Keep your lines very light at this stage, as these are just foundational guides for your drawing. Now, let's refine the basic shapes into Gamma 1 distinct form. Start by adding definition to the muscular structure, especially in the chest and arms, and begin sketching the uniform details. Carefully draw the facial features, focusing on the eyes, nose, and mouth to capture his expression. Pay close attention to the hands and feet, ensuring they convey the character's pose and weight. Remember to keep your lines clean but still light enough for adjustments. It's time to add the finer details that bring Gamma 1 to life. Focus on his unique costume elements, such as the shoulder pads, belt, and any other accessories. Once you are satisfied with all the details, gently erase all the initial sketch lines, leaving only your refined pencil drawing. Then, carefully ink the final outlines of the character, using a steady hand to create crisp, clean lines. This step truly defines your artwork. For the final touches, let's add shading to give your Gamma 1 drawing depth and dimension, considering light sources. Next, select your color palette and carefully begin coloring the character, staying within the inked lines. This step truly makes your artwork pop. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thank you for drawing along with me. I hope you enjoyed creating your own Gamma 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.